Are you dealing with stains on your teeth? Because I was until I started using this toothpaste. Now, I don't use this all the time. I actually use a toothpaste that's designed to strengthen my enamel from Sensodyne, usually. But my dentist recommended this specifically for the coffee and tea stains I kept getting on my front teeth, and it has made a huge difference. Now, it tastes a little like baking soda, but for me, it's mostly reminiscent to what I taste when I'm at the dentist's office. Now, my dentist recommended that I just use this 1 to 3 times a week, and specifically to focus on those stains. So more as a specific stain remover or prevention method. And it has been working so well for that. Now, while its focus is on stain defense, it is still a high quality toothpaste from a well-known brand that uses fluoride as an anti-cavity measure. So whether you're looking to keep your teeth white all the time, or like me, are focused on specific stains that you just can't get off any other way, this is a fantastic option.